Welcome to the ultimate list of 100 tools so good, they don't even seem real. From precision woodworking gear to powerful pro-grade tools by Makita, Milwaukee, Kreg, and more, these game changers will blow your mind and upgrade your workshop. Let's dive into the future of craftsmanship.
Clip bender. The clip bender is a hand tool used for securing T-post fence clips. It is made in the USA of 100% steel with a black oxide coating to prevent rust. The comfortable rubber handle is bright yellow for greater visibility. With its durability and unique design, the clip bender is without a doubt the best tool for the job. Wesco High Reach Drum Lifter. This 1,100-pound capacity Wesco manual drum handler and lift is designed for handling 30, 55, or 85-gallon drums cylinders, whether they're made out of steel, fiber, and poly material. It comes standard with an outstanding 73-inch lift height with retractable legs, making it versatile and flexible enough for all types of material handling application. The Wesco drum lifter is equipped with an ergonomically designed patented gator grip, which ensures a positive lock on your drum and guarantees safety and security of your load at all times. It is a great piece of equipment for lifting, transporting, and placing drums on spill or standard pallets. It also features a four-wheeler design comprising of 2 phenolic wheels and 2 swivel casters equipped with a floor lock, offering plenty of maneuverability. Its upright design makes it extremely stable and takes up lesser space than standard laid-back drum lifters, allowing you to operate the unit in tight working conditions. Tornator Max. The Tornator Max has newly developed rotational technology inside the funnel to provide faster, more powerful cleaning. Professional detailers will love the speed and effectiveness of the Tornator Black. The new design reduces wear and ensures a longer life and superior performance. The Tornator Max is less noisy too. The designers increase the power but reduce the air consumption and noise. Plus, the Tornator Max is equipped with sealed ball bearings inside the rotation set. Wear is minimized because the rotation set no longer comes into contact with the cone. This improvement makes the Tornator Max better suited for long-term frequent use, as in a professional detailing capacity. The Tornator Max releases a fine mist of cleaning solution that does not oversaturate surfaces. You'll quickly see dirt and grime release from the surface. Wipe with a microfiber towel. Then turn the dial to shut off the water and use the compressed air to dry the cleaned area. It's that simple. Use the Tornator Max on the dashboard, door panels, steering wheel, fabric upholstery, carpet, floor mats, and between seats. It cleans in tough-to-reach places between seats and in seams. On the exterior, use Tornator Black to clean fabric convertible tops, body seams, detailing of wheels, and emblems. There's no need to scrub. The Tornator does the hard work for you. Flexible shaft. Get into those hard-to-reach places you couldn't reach before with a bulky tool. Or hold it like a pen to maintain full control over your detailed carving, engraving, polishing projects, and more. This flexible shaft can be used with drill machine and die grinder. Description: widely used in drilling, engraving, milling, grinding works. Turn unwieldy electric grinding into deft manual grinding with this shaft. This high-quality flexible shaft can extend the function of electric grinder and drill to engrave, polish, milling. It can turn unwieldy electric grinding into deft manual grinding. Also suitable for car polish machine. Comfort Grip handpiece allows fingertip control to cut, grind, sand, polish, and more. Integrated shaft lock button for quick and easy accessory changes. Plastic hole burner. This XL hole burner can be used to make holes in plastic or woven mulch in a single step, regardless of the thickness and type of the plastic. This clean and precise hole also seals the mulch with a heat seal for great results. The fuel for the hole burner comes from a propane-butane gas cylinder. It is compatible with all bottles of the market. It is best to use this hole burner with small size cylinders that can be carried over the shoulder or in a backpack for optimal working comfort. It will burn a hole in your woven or plastic mulch with a very simple process. On a woven mulch, regardless of the thickness, the thermoperfo makes a quick clear-cut hole that heat bonds the plastic during the process. You could use the thermoperfo in all weathers as it is unaffected by climatic conditions. It is supplied by a gas tank and the usage will depend on the weather and the cup diameter used. The 600 milliliter gas tanks, available in DIY superstores, will give you with between half hours and 3 hours of usage. Fencing pliers. Malco's legendary fencing pliers design features 3 serrated jaw areas for gripping, pulling, and tying fence wire. Also, 3 built-in wire cutter locations ensure easy access for cutting up to 9-gauge 3.8mm chain link fence or tension wire. A compact, rounded, and tapered nose allows easy entry and reach into tight areas. Textured handle surfaces promote safe and sure control. And durable, hardened, all-steel construction offers long, dependable service life. Dust Router. Now you can breathe easy with the Wolfcraft Dust Router. Install, connect, and cut dust by over 90%. The Dust Router can be mounted directly to your router table or insert plate, making it easy to adjust or change your tools. Enjoy maximum dust collection while edge trimming, cutting grooves, slots, dados, dovetails, and more. Easy to attach to router tables for permanent or temporary use. Dust cup can be cut along scissor line for easy exchange of router bits. Flexible silicone dust cup with Velcro fits most routers and lifts. Precision Taper Jig. Setting the angle of the precision taper jig couldn't be easier. A scale with interlocking teeth sets the angle precisely in quarter-degree increments from 0 to 7 degrees. For larger angles, you can switch to the other scale, which goes from 0 degree to 15 degree in half-degree increments. Should you need to change the angle, the interlocking teeth assure perfect alignment when you need to return. Of course, you can lock the jig at any intermediate angle as well. Everyone who has used a normal taper jig to cut furniture legs knows there's a moment of high anxiety at the end of the cut. You're working close to the blade, there's not much material left, and that wonky angle doesn't lend itself to push sticks or feather boards. But the precision taper jig is different. Our workpiece is held down to the sled rather than against the table of your saw. The sled also eliminates any worry about bottom slide tear out. With a clamping range from 3 inches down to just 17/32 of an inch, the clamps work on just about any tapered project, and the clamping handles serve double duty as convenient gripping points for pushing the jig. Monorail Tile Cutter. Monorail tile cutter is a tile cutter intended for the professional tiler, allowing to make straight and angled cuts up to 45 degrees quickly and precisely. Fluidity and cutting precision are particularly sought after in the design of these new EDMA tile cutters, which are fitted with a high-performance tungsten carbide cutting wheel and a cutting carriage on 6 ball bearings. 2 different separators are also provided to allow the artisan tiler to adapt on his sites to different thicknesses of tiles. Its ergonomic handle and an aluminum base also make EDMA tile a particularly light and easy-to-handle tile cutter for professionals who will also appreciate its ease of transport using the nylon bag provided. Double Wheel Hoe Cultivator. TerraTech Wheel Hoe is really good to make precision weed control work. Equipped with finger weeder, this is the best way to remove weeds from the row. This is the only one manual tools with finger weeder setup. This wheel hoe can be mounted on a single or double wheel regarding to the work. Main of the time, double wheel is used for precision operation and single wheel for standard cultivator. The fingers work by fracturing the soil from the root zone upward, freeing the roots and germinated seeds of weeds from soil moisture. This allows the crop plant to take up more moisture and nutrients without competition. An important consideration for in-row weeding is timeliness. Being able to remove weeds in row is dependent on there being a difference in the size of the roots of the weeds and the crop plants. Finger weeders are a polyurethane disc available in different hardnesses, selected based on soil type. Trend KWJ900P. The KWJ900P is a 4-in-1 jig system that builds into 3 workshop jig sizes of 500mm, 750mm, and 900mm. The 4th function is a standalone mini jig for bolt recesses, 35mm hinge recesses, and monoblock tap fittings. The whole jig breaks down into a compact carrying bag ideal for transportation on public transport or for easy, safe storage in the van or workshop. Its unique ability to build different lengths covers every workshop configuration, from narrow bathroom vanity units to breakfast bars and peninsular applications, allowing the jig to be made to a size that is suitable to the work and therefore safer to clamp and use. Unlike standard jigs, no pin is required to set and also limit the joint length, so accuracy is guaranteed by taking all the setup and registration points from the front edge. The KWJ900P will not only match the current trends in traditional edge profiles, it is also able to evolve to keep up with new designs, trends, and styles as they come into fashion. For harder square-edged worktops such as compact laminate, the 3mm backset allows a joint to be cut in a single pass, speeding up the jointing process, and also reducing strain on the cutter and the router, increasing productivity to maximize earning potential and also prolong tool life. Recessed clamping positions around the jig in its 4 different setups offer additional benefits of easier routing. Using standard plunge saw rail clamps to secure the jig to keep it free of restrictions for easier routing control through the cut. 2-in-1 function DIY gloves. The high-quality Wolfcraft hand protectors made from neoprene ensure an optimal load distribution when carrying hard, angular objects. They provide reliable protection against pressure marks for hands and wrists. Their ergonomic design with Velcro fastener and additional elastic straps adapts to every hand size. Having the thumb free ensures perfect control when gripping, which makes the hand protectors very well suited to carry delicate objects like glass plates or mirrors. The wrist loops can be simply folded down so the hands can be quickly freed. LED basin wrench. Innovative design makes working with faucet fittings and retaining nuts easier than ever. Built-in water-resistant LED lights provides direct illumination of under-sink workplace. Auto shut-off timer conserves the replaceable batteries. Pivoting removable T-handle allows easier access in tight spaces. 3/8-inch square drive connection provides ability to use ratchet or breaker bar for additional leverage and maximum torque. Ergonomic textured handle increases leverage and improves grip. New body design enables effortless telescoping from 10 inches to 17 inches. Improved jaw spring significantly extends tool life. The rigid basin wrench has a removable 180-degree pivoting T-handle that makes positioning easier in tight workspaces. The rigid basin wrench is built to last and features an improved jaw spring that significantly extends the life of the tool. Designed for maximum comfort, the contoured grip over mold delivers increased leverage and improved grip compared to standard square metal basin wrenches. Utility staple starter and staples. Klein's utility staple starter is designed to hold and dispense utility staples when installing ground wire and molding to utility poles. No more dropping staples, hitting fingers, or puncturing work gloves. The stapler is uniquely designed to work with Klein Tools utility staples. Traditional methods for installing ground wire to utility poles can be slow and cumbersome. Loose staples get dropped when being handled with bulky lineman gloves. This can cause a potential safety hazard for people and equipment on the job site. Positioning staples into the pole can result in hit fingers and punctured work gloves. Klein's heavy-duty utility staple starter is designed to hold and dispense utility staples. Use the stapler to get the staples started on the pole quickly and safely. The top loading feature allows for quick staple reload and less drop staples. Floss. Meet Floss, world's first eco-friendly eco-flosser. Floss uses sonic vibrations to move quickly and gently between tight teeth, removing stubborn plaque and debris from places your toothbrush can't access. Designed to reach the nooks and crannies with ease and give your gums the TLC they deserve, Floss does the hard work for you. Runmacy. The Runmacy can engrave on almost everything you could think of. Stainless steel, anodized aluminum alloy, iron, glass, ceramic, wood, bamboo, paper, acrylic, leather, stone, cement, or fruit, just to name a few. Let your imagination run wild with possibilities. The Runmacy is at the cutting edge of laser engraving tech. Built with a 5W German-engineered OSRAM laser chip, efficient heat dissipation, and finely tuned precision glass lens, its powerful laser is built to help you unleash your creativity on any surface. Unleash your creativity onto any metal. Whether you want to engrave a flask for a friend, a plaque for a trophy, or a piece of art to hang up, the powerful laser housed in the Runmacy is up for the task. To start engraving, just connect your Runmacy to your computer or smartphone. Connect via Bluetooth or cable and then select your design in the app to start engraving. Zoomy. Zoomy is a new portable professional lighting system specifically designed for video meetings, providing a non-glare lighting system that is easily set up and completely portable. The portable clip-on zoom light will help you look brilliant in Zoom meetings, videos, and pics. Like a softbox that fits in your pocket, Zumi uses multiple layers of diffusion and light separation. No longer tethered to your lamp or room light, Zumi allows you to roam around the house and still have great lighting. Zoom better anywhere. Never swap out batteries. Just plug Zumi directly into your laptop and you are free to roam. No more fussy mounting hardware, just clip and go. Use the gentle, protective foam-covered clip to attach Zumi right to your laptop in one quick motion. Place Zumi anywhere along the top of your laptop in seconds. Metabo Impact Driver. Covered by Metabo HTP's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty and powered by brushless motor technology, the WH18DBFL2S is perfect for any job. This next-generation technology manages the tool's motor through use of a microprocessor, resulting in ultimate efficiency. Not only does this technology remove the hassle and downtime of having to replace brushes, but it also eliminates the traditional wear on the trigger switch and the armature, creating an extremely durable tool that is essentially maintenance-free. Additionally, the increased efficiency of the microprocessor-managed motor results in up to 30% additional runtime between battery charges. LS50L2. The knockout driver features a swivel head rotates that 360 degrees so you can get into just about any space. Greenly designed an auto-retract technology to sense completion of the punch and to retract the ram. This minimizes wear and prevents damage. The full set, including the dies and tool, is quite hefty to carry around. Just the tool itself weighs 5.8 pounds with the battery. A helpful LED work light, a feature standardized on just about all cordless power tools, makes for good visibility. With iPress software, monitor tool performance including peak forces and number of cycles. Easy threading. Draw studs with dog point tips help eliminate cross-threading. The IntelliPunch was very precise. Screw on the cup and die and pull the trigger. It's that simple. If you aren't careless, all knockout methods result in a precise hole. But there's no comparison in time and effort between all other tools and the IntelliPunch. It's comfortable and easy to use. Proxxon Delta Sander. Proxxon Detail Sander OZI115E is the solution for fine sanding, finishing, polishing, deburring, roughing, paint, or silicone removal, as well as cutting. The oscillating motion ensures lack of vibration and kickback. This motion also allows the use of cutting blades. The secret for the strong performance is the oscillating motion, permitting extremely fine and delicate or more aggressive performance, depending on the accessory used or material worked on. The oscillating motion prevents sandpaper from clogging, and it even allows cutting. The powerful permanent magnetic motor has a long lifetime and performs with high torque, which ensures for impressive stock removal. The electronic speed control allows for continuously variable speeds from 3,000 to 10,000 oscillations per minute, so that the tool can be used on wood, steel, non-ferrous metal, glass, ceramics, and plastic. The sandpaper plate has an adhesive pad to accept sandpaper or fleece with hook and loop system. For sanding surfaces in very tight spots, e.g. corners, sides, and inaccessible areas, the oscillating motion ensures quiet operation and also facilitates cutting, plunge cuts, and filling. The variable speed ensures the correct speed for every material. Special, balanced, low-noise DC motor with high life expectancy. Main housing of glass fiber reinforced polyamide, complete with 4 sanding discs. Rotary rasp. Made of high-speed steel material through fire-dipped black surface treatment, ensuring it's sharper and durable. Rotary burr processing efficiency than the manual file to improve of times, then with a small handle wheel to improve nearly 10 times. High working efficiency, perfect punching effect, and long using life. DIY enthusiast or hobby and craft fan, and give your rotary tool even more functionality with this set of diamond burrs. In a great part of the work, it can replace the petiole small wheel and no dust pollution. Works with mostly small rotary tools for DIY carving. Used for grinding, polishing, shaping, and burnishing wood, plastics, and rubber surfaces. DIY woodworking polished artifact. Poly. Are you tired of cleaning your household but not to the fullest? Do you have multiple cleaning tools for different materials, carpets, tile, stone? Are you tired of cheap and shabby mops? You want to have a cleaning tool that will make sure that everything is clean to the smallest nanobody? Save your household and clean your home with Poly Cleaning Tool. With ultraviolet light, you will get the best and precise cleaning up to termination of all kinds of germs and nanoparticles. Ultraviolet also provides a self-cleaning option for the cleaning piece, so you simply need to keep it still and poly will clean itself. Long wavelength UV rays that aims at longer distance provides more precise cleaning while causing no harm compared to those with short waves and more tense energy. The cleaning surface of poly is a mix of nylon, cotton, and polyester. Made to be in 4 layers, poly comes perfect to cleaning all types of surfaces: carpets, kitchen floors, anything. The cleaning surface is replaceable and washable and comes with 6-month full usage warranty. Water Spitter. Water Spitter is a hands-free solution to hand washing. This portable and efficient washing and drying combo is the perfect solution for all your hand washing or portable washing and drying needs. It conveniently and quickly completes alternate washing duties without a mess. If you have full-size laundry machines, Water Spitter helps keep your primary washer and dryer free to handle large loads. Speed up your laundry day and save more time for enjoying the things that you love with Water Spitter. Babies' clothes washing, underwear cleaning, or quick drying outdoors. All these hand washing and drying needs are quickly and conveniently satisfied by this portable and efficient washer-dryer. Designed for portability, Water Spitter is tiny enough to squeeze into small spaces and folds compactly to tuck neatly into a corner. This plug-and-play solution provides a trouble-free cleaning process, saves the cost of installation services, and saves room to utilize your place better. Do laundry anywhere. Bring Water Spitter with you while traveling or camping. Let it handle tedious washing chores so you can concentrate on fun. Small, apartment-friendly, ultra-portable, and perfect for road trips. Mojitu. Mojitu Lightning is a super portable and handheld tire inflator. It provides you an easier and smarter way to inflate. Inflate your tires automatically with just one click. It's time to say goodbye to all those complicated and cumbersome air compressor pumps. Here we introduce this multifunctional and highly performing Mojitu Lightning that will definitely amaze you. It delivers up to 150 psi that can be used for inflating car tires, bike tires, sports balls, beach balls, swim rings, air mattress, and other inflatables, etc. Mojitu Lightning is portable. Mojitu Lightning is portable yet powerful to meet all your inflation needs. Offer you the easiest way to fast inflate a car tire in 9 minutes. Mojitu Lightning has an accurate, easy-to-read, built-in pressure gauge. Simply connect the nozzle to the valve of the tire and it will auto-detect the pressure level. The LCD indicator will give you more precise readings and you can also read the real-time pressure easily in the dark. Proxxon Belt Sander. A light, compact, and user-friendly unit that makes sanding in tight spaces more convenient. Used in modeling, sculpturing, tool and die making, or the automotive sector. The belt sander has a speed control for variable speeds from 12 to 25 feet per second, 225 to 450 meters per minute, which enables to work on many different materials such as wood, metal, or plastic. It can be used for grinding or enlarging small openings, grinding in notches, regrinding molds or polishing flat surfaces. It is also great for deburring, rounded edges, or removing paint. Recentering or tilting the belt is easily done with a screwdriver. A storage box is also included with the tool. Storage case is made of high-grade PP, attractive, extremely stable, and large enough to enable the machine to be replaced in it after completion of the work. Evolution R15 Vac Vacuum Cleaner. The perfect wet-dry vacuum cleaner for your job site, workshop, and general cleaning tasks. The powerful 1000-watt motor has an impressive 42.5 liters per second of airflow for easy pickup of bulky building debris, fine dust, liquids, mud, and more. It's seriously capable with wet and dry functionality and a large, quick empty waste bin. The power takeoff socket simplifies effective dust collection when used with a power tool by starting the vacuum automatically when you press the start button on the connected power tool. Miter saw, table saw, circular saw, it works with any brand of tool. The R15 Vac Wet and Dry Workshop Vac also doubles as a powerful blower ideal for dislodging debris from hard-to-reach areas. The compact design makes it highly portable and ideal for taking between jobs. It features onboard accessory storage for quick access to nozzles, a carry handle, and cable tidy. Compact, powerful, and incredibly capable, with wet and dry functionality, the R15 Vac is here to help you clean up your act. Milescraft Depth Gauge. With a maximum measuring range of 80 millimeters, the Milescraft depth gauge is perfect for setting rebates and grooves quickly and accurately on router tables, setting both height and backset of the cutter. This power tool can also be used to check preset heights and positions for all sorts of projects on the job site or the home shop. Steel rule in metric and imperial, 0.5 millimeter 1/32 increments for setting and checking router cutter heights and fence backsets for a speedier, accurate setup. Universal Fence Clamp. These compact, lightweight fence clamps allow you to secure a huge variety of shop-made auxiliary fences to your existing fences without having the clamp interfere with your work. The clamp arm simply fits into a 3/8-inch hole at the top of the auxiliary fence, keeping it out of the way. That means no more clunky wood screws and C-clamps and no need to screw into your expensive fence. Clamps can be used singly as stop blocks or in pairs for sacrificial fences, half fences, resaw fences, and a variety of other fixtures. One set of clamps will do it all. The Universal Fence Clamp are sold in pairs. Use one for a stop block. As a pair, use for a sacrificial fence, resaw fence, or tall auxiliary fence. They will work well for a variety of uses on your router as well.
Plot 250. Plot 250 is a starting-level CNC hot wire foam cutter, highly recommended for the startup who wants to start running the business of cutting and modeling expanded and extruded polyestyrene. With Plot 250, they will be sure to get a professional CNC foam cutting machine with a low investment. It's able to work in many different business industries dealing with EPS and XPS because of its large cutting area. The open structure of Plot 250 allows the operator to process easily any kind of cuts of expanded, extruded polystyrene. This machine is suggested for the making decorative foam elements, foam cornices, pillars, columns, polystyrene moldings, styrofoam sculptures, 3D logos, signs, billboards, scenography, movie set, packaging, party decorations. JIC 375. 3-hole fiber optic stripper model performs all common fiber stripping functions. This fiber optic stripper strips the 1.6 to 3 millimeter fiber jacket down to the 600 to 900 micron buffer coating. The second hole strips the 600 to 900 micron buffer coating down to the 250 micron coating. And the third hole is used to strip the 250 micron cable down to the glass fiber without nicks or scratches. Angled jaw guides fiber into the third hole to prevent accidental cutting of the fiber. The tool is made of strong high-carbon steel and the handle is made of TPR, thermoplastic rubber for high durability and greater comfort. The safety lock allows the tool to be easily stored when not in use. JIC 63050. The Jonard Tools JIC 63050 cable cutters, made of chrome vanadium steel, feature induction-hardened cutting edges. This durable tool with a high-leverage design and shear-type jaw ensures superior cutting through aluminum, copper, and 100 pair 24 AWG cable. It has a comfortable ergonomic handle with dipped plastic grip for greater torque. Malco CR Hex 8mm and 10mm socket. Quickly change between 8mm and 10mm hex sizes with Malco's unique, exclusive, dual-sided magnetic hex drivers. The reversible hex socket fits over a 1/4 inch magnetic-tipped ball-locking hex shaft and can be quickly reversed to change sizes. Eliminate troublesome buildup of metal shavings in the hex tip with the Easy Clean magnet. Just swipe with a glove or shop towel to clear any metal shavings. Tested torque of the reversible hex chuck driver design is equal to one-piece drivers. The 8mm side is designed with a slim profile to gain easier access in tight spaces for increased productivity. With single-piece strength and an indestructible magnet, this hex driver is the perfect companion for any trade professional. Miller ACS Plus Cable Slitter. Introducing the patent-pending Miller ACS Plus, a professional-grade tool that has all the functionality of the trusted Miller ACS and ACS2, and then some. Designed for use on armored fiber feeder, central tube, and stranded loose tube fiber optic cables, as well as various other non-fiber armored cables, The ACS Plus easily cuts through the polyethylene jacket and corrugated copper steel or aluminum armor layer in one smooth step. Single brass roller wheel accommodates cable diameters from 0.157 inch to 1.125 inches. Ergonomic design features a spring-loaded roller assembly with tension adjustment knob for faster precision cuts. Lightweight and glass-reinforced injection-molded body has a curved T-handle designed for improved grip and leverage during longitudinal and ring cuts. Versatile design features a guide wheel for stability to accurately slit the outer polyethylene jacket and armor in one step. Optional red guide wheel allows the ACS model to accommodate smaller cable diameters. Lockjaw ladder grip. The lockjaw ladder grip quickly and easily secures and stabilizes your ladder to the gutter so that you can avoid injuries and work more efficiently. Patented rubber-padded adjustable jaw mechanism ensures the lockjaw ladder grip will lock onto your gutter while protecting it from damage. Static load testing up to 220 pounds resulted in zero ladder movement. Caliber X. Caliber X, the ultimate combination of style, functionality, and price. Engineered with practicality in mind, designed for single-handed accessibility. Extremely lightweight. You may forget that you're carrying it in your pocket. Ergonomic dream come true. Comfortable, secure, and stylish. A tool that will fit perfectly into your lifestyle. A tool that will fit perfectly in your pocket and will look good in your hand. A tool for a true man. A truly must-have piece for sailors, hikers, for those who love camping, road trips, or DIY projects. You should have it in your car, on your motorcycle, bicycle, boat, or backpack. It will be a tool that you would love to use. Not just because it looks so cool, but also because it's perfect for every 21st century man activity. Caliber X is made from solid stainless steel and due to its robust structure will be very hard, if not impossible, to break. To make sure you can pass your Caliber X to the next generation, the product's been designed in such a way to allow 15 out of the 18 tools to be replaced. It's made to last you a lifetime. Play-Doh Keg. The new Play-Doh Keg knows exactly how much beer is left in all of your kegs. Highly accurate load cells keep track of the good stuff, and yes, the beer's gravity is included in the calculations. Play-Doh Keg shows you pouring in real time and notifies you whenever a beer is being poured from your keg. With the built-in temperature sensor and Wi-Fi connection, you can remotely monitor your kegerator. By enabling push notifications, you'll get notified if something is wrong. For example, an open door or a thermostat running wild. Play-Doh Keg uses 3 synchronized high-quality load cells that measure the keg weight for every 0.1 second, sending real-time data of your kegs directly to your smartphone using Wi-Fi. Don't get fooled by the sleek design. The Play-Doh Keg is small, but it's ready for big kegs full of beer. High-performance materials combined with thought-through solutions makes it durable, waterproof, and ready to handle kegs up to 13 US gallons, 50 liters. Scoop and Swipe Set. Now you can avoid the mess while working with bulk grease. With hands, use the Grows Grease Scooper to avoid grease contaminations and spillage in 3 simple steps. Use the scooper to draw a sizable amount of grease from the bucket. Use the swipe to clean the scoop from the inside. Use the swipe to clean the scoop from the outside. Made from high polymer material and steel. Grows Telescopic Measuring Wheel. The wheel is designed to ensure long-distance measurements while ensuring the least possible effort from the user. It comes in both meter and feet unit variants. It has a built-in kickstand which keeps it upright even when not in use. You can measure up to 9,999 units accurately on any kind of solid surface. Its 3-section telescopic design expands from 61 centimeters, 24 inches, to 108 centimeters, 42.5 inches, making it easy to use in multiple situations as well as easy to store. In contrast to a standard measuring tape, This design simply rolls and measures the distance using a 12-inch durable rubber-coated wheel. The measurements can be recorded as well as can be resetted with the push of a button. Dual-function vernier calipers. Woodworking's ruler gives you the ultimate marking precision, allowing the user to accurately mark up to the finest millimeter. The vernier scale and main scale were designed to slide smoothly into the main body, and it will fit onto objects perfectly. Woodworking has more accurate minimum measuring range than regular vernier calipers, which can mark up to 1/20th 0.05 millimeters, which is about 0.019 inches. Wing nut sockets. Looking for a solution for heavy-duty trucks? These wing nut sockets will be helpful when you need them. For use on Kenworth battery box covers and diesel particulate filter wing nuts found in heavy-duty trucks and other vehicles. Counterbore in the bottom is sized so that when engaging the fastener, the socket does not touch the material the wing nut is holding down, preventing scratching and damage when the wing nut is spun off. 7/8 inch external hex allows access to wing nuts on a long stud. The wing nut driver has a big slot with more than 7.5 millimeters wide, which is bigger than other wing nut drivers. If you're looking for a big one using for thick wing nuts, this is it. And it's also fit for common wing nuts, not just thick ones. Tenon milling router template system. Make dovetails as if you owned a CNC wood milling machine using this solid, well-designed tool. The sliding track in the base plate from which the fence is adjusted, defining the dovetail length. Angle and height adjustable fence allows you to cut compound angles repeatedly. A small bottom lever locks the angle adjustment plate, which serves also as the fence for the adjustment of the length of the dovetail. The large lever on the top is the locking lever for the dovetail height fence, which slides up and down in the sliding track of the base plate. Sliding side fence mounted on the adjustable stop fence, used in repeated work where the position relative to the side of the timber is the same from one dovetail to the next. It can be mounted on left or right. Fry construction. With standing seam metal roofing, there are 3 installation options: snap panel, single lock, and double lock. Here's the explanation of double lock metal roof assembly. The double lock roof panel is ideal for industrial, commercial, and architectural applications. When used in a retrofit application, double lock increases energy efficiency and longevity of the structure.
Metabo 23-gauge cordless pin nailer. The NP18 DSAL 23-gauge cordless pin nailer allows the user to move easily around the job site without hoses or compressors. Metabo HPT is proud to build upon their strong pneumatic heritage and offer a professional cordless option powered by a compact 3-amp lithium-ion battery. It is capable of driving up to 3,000 headless pins per charge. Metabo HPT 18-volt cordless plastic strip framing nailer, NR1890DRS. This cordless framing nailer is ideal for all construction framing applications, along with punch-out work on a job site. High stable driving power allows the nailer to drive 3.5-inch nails into even the toughest of engineering lumber with ease, equipped with Metabo HPT unique air spring drive system. 90-degree impact wrench. The 90-degree impact wrench, engineered and designed by Klein Tools in the USA, has a patent-pending design that provides a better, more ergonomic way to fasten in the field. The right angle on this tool allows the user to reach around a utility pole easier for better access with less fatigue. 300 foot-pound of max torque for drive fasteners into wood, metal, and concrete. Impact wrench's right angle provides versatility for better reach around a utility pole with less effort. The insertable socket designed for commonly used 3/4 inch and 13/16 inch bolt sizes. 7/16 inch quick connect adapter works with drill bits, sockets, and other accessories for added versatility. Batavia Gel Pole. The nifty Gel Pole hand sanitizer station is ideal for use in front of storefronts, offices, restaurants, schools, retirement homes, and much more, ensuring ultimate hand sanitization for all clients and customers. This sanitization station is weatherproof and offers a 3-year warranty. It is also easy to move around and can be a great feature for your store. The Max Gun Pro. The Max gun is made for health professionals, professional athletes, incidental athletes, and anybody who likes to treat their muscles to prevent from muscle pain and tension and to stimulate their blood circulation. A physiotherapist will be pleased by experiencing the pleasant handability and results. A bodybuilder will appreciate the higher and still sophisticated impact to the muscles. Any soccer player will notice the faster recovery like swimming athletes will do, and even if you exercise street dance or darts, you will be amazed by the results. Von Haus 18-volt lithium-ion cordless nail stapler. Designed with ease of use in mind, this dual-functionality cordless nail stapler comes equipped with a smooth-action trigger switch, depth control adjustment, and dual firing modes. It's ideal for a range of materials and applications including carpentry and underlay, fabrics and blinds, ceiling tiles, thin plywood, and much more. Fotric 340 Series Advanced Handheld Thermal Imagers. The Fotric 340 series includes advanced handheld thermal imagers designed for the most advanced inspection applications, including energy audits, building inspections, industrial maintenance, and preventative maintenance. The Fotric 340 series provides superior thermal imaging thanks to Fotric's Magic Thermal technology. This unique feature allows for smart isolation of hotspots for live on-camera analysis. The built-in Magic Thermal algorithm makes it extremely easy to visually identify equipment issues. The Fotric 340 series also has a few excellent analysis features which will simplify the way you work. These cameras feature built-in laser distance meters for accurate focus, 4-hour battery life, ergonomic grip design, and voice and text image annotation. Additionally, the 340 series is able to capture full-range radiometric video. The Fotric 340 series also comes with Fotric Analyze IR software as standard. This complementary software suite allows for in-depth analysis of your radiometric images and videos. From the software, you can edit images and export thermal data and graphs. This complementary software suite allows for in-depth analysis of your radiometric images and videos. Polyporter. The Polyporter was created from the mind of a pipeline contractor. It is an innovative workhorse that tackles the job of handling pipe in the field. The Pipeline Porter combines the mechanical advantage of a dolly with the functionality of a pipe stand to create one of the most useful pipeline tools. One person can easily load a length of pipe without strain. The pipe can then be pushed easily through the roller-equipped hook arm into the fusion machine. The jack enables the operator to raise and lower the Polyporter to level the pipe in uneven terrain to the height of the machine. EDMA Suprafix. The handle is made of ergonomic non-slip PVC soft rubber. Small but powerful, it can be operated perfectly with one hand, with which you can do your work easily and comfortably. Suitable for plasterboard, chipboard, cavity walls, hollow ceilings, panels, etc. Suitable for installing light loads such as lamps, curtain rods, coat stands, etc. The body is made of thickened 2.5mm heat-treated 50-grade carbon steel, which can extend the service life. Panel Lifter. EDMA PLAC is a rack and pinion panel lifter which enables to lift plasterboards in every position. Horizontal, ceiling installation, angled, sloping ceiling installation, and vertical, wall installation. It is equipped with an innovative braking system with 2 handles to lower the panel quickly under control. EDMA PLAC can be automatically operated thanks to power drill assistance. The rack and pinion system allows to lift plasterboards with much less effort than other panel lifters. Thanks to its 3 wheels and its foldable feet, it is easy to pass through doorways with EDMA PLAC. You don't need to lift yourself the plasterboards. EDMA PLAC does the job for you. Lid stay torsion hinges. Similar to hinges in laptop computers, these heavy-duty cast zinc hinges allow virtually any size lid to open smoothly, hold its position when open to 90 degrees. Beyond that, the lid will swing open, and then easily close, all with little effort and no additional hardware. Use the torsion calculator to help determine your ideal hinge combination. For best results, choose a combination of hinges that provides as close to your lid's required support as possible. Now available in 2 attractive finishes, satin nickel and rustic bronze, to complement any project, from chests to boxes to storage units and more. Designed to fit 3/4-inch stock, hinges are available in 15, 30, 40, and 60-inch pound ratings. Seedos Hobby. This seed drill is intended exclusively for sowing strip seed on small areas. Its operation is very simple. We put the packing of the sewing strip on the holder. We insert the strip into the sewing mechanism and we push the seed drill around the plot. The seed drill creates a groove, a reinforced seed bed, places the strip on the soil, rolls over the soil and pushes. At the end of the plot, we tear off the strip and continue in the next line. It is important that the soil is well gardened. It is not good to push the seed drill hard into the soil. Just move it over the surface. Do not sow if the soil is too wet and sticks to the seed drill. Coutal tying tool. The Coutal tying tool can tie all sorts of plants on any trellis system in less than 2 seconds. It is used with a 280-foot biodegradable wire paper coil. Each roll of tying string can do about 1,000 ties. Each tie can resist about 18 pounds of weight. The Coutal tying tool is used all over Europe and is now available in the US. Each tool includes a starter wire roll. The operation of the Coutal tying tool is very easy and convenient. It takes about 0.8 seconds to finish one knot. Angler. The Milwaukee Angler interchangeable pulling fish tape system is the world's first battery-powered fish tape solution. The fish tape wire puller's auto-run powered feed and retract eliminates manual pulling tools for less user fatigue and automatically reels the tape back into the drum for a cleaner job site. The electric fish tape wire puller features a power state brushless motor that provides the ability to pull wire through a 200-foot run with 360 degrees of bends. This new battery-powered fish tape puller is more efficient with an automatic feed that pushes through bends faster for maximum job site efficiency. The Angler pulling fish tape powered base is powered by the M18 red lithium battery pack and is compatible with 5 anti-binding steel and non-conductive drums to tackle any situation.
Hilti HSL4 Wedge Anchor. The HSL4 is the next generation of heavy-duty anchor with improved load capacity. Whether you're fastening industrial equipment like cranes and vibrating machinery, or connecting heavy steel beams and columns, the HLS4 is fit for challenging applications where high shear resistance or fatigue approvals are required. The anchor can also be used for structural propping in civil engineering, where strong fastenings are needed to support heavy beams and can later be removed. And because it's compatible with TraceFast, you will always know exactly what's there even after installation. Systematic door frame assembly. With potential savings of some 45 to 70 euro per internal door, fitting doors is an attractive DIY project that can be handled confidently and without mishaps using the door frame assembly set. With 2 door frame jigs and 2 aligning clamps, the set contains everything you need to successfully fit a door frame. You fasten the door frame assembly jigs directly to the frame while it's still horizontal. This keeps them secure and stops them falling down when straightening and aligning the frame. Firmly locked into place on the sides, the assembly jigs support and protect the frame during transport and insertion. The assembly aid is compatible with all standard external door dimensions: 610, 735, 860, 985mm. The 2 aligning clamps included let you align and fix the frame precisely in the vertical and horizontal direction in just a few steps. This does away with the need for time-consuming adjustments using wooden shims or wedges. Pony band clamp. The classic pony band clamp is small, lightweight, and easy to work with, featuring a high-strength band made of nylon webbing, 4 plastic corners to clamp miter joints, and a positive hold, self-locking aluminium can, and ratcheting handle for instant release. A black, rust-resistant finish is applied to the steel frame for added durability. Locking pliers. If you think all tools are made equally, think again. Curved jaw locking pliers possesses all the toughness and quality of our strength jaw pliers, but also provide full gripping power on a variety of shapes and applications. The strong 10-inch jaw has the strength to grip, clamp, and tighten just about anything, so you can get the job done. These curved jaw pliers also feature an integrated precise ground wire cutter for added versatility. Sharp enough to cut through a variety of wires with ease. Built for the toughest jobs and designed for every job, locking pliers is American innovation at its finest. Snap-on CDR 861. The Snap-on brushless 14.4 volts micro lithium drill features new brushless technology allowing the tool to operate more efficiently, meaning more RPMs with less noise. This technology also improves runtime, torque to weight ratio, and motor life. variable speed trigger is featherable, allowing the user to dial in the proper RPM for a particular application. Evolution R300 DCT Plus. Born to conquer the professional's job site. The all-new R300 DCT Plus electric disc cutter is the perfect masonry saw for the pros when effective dust control is a must. It has an impressive cut depth of 115mm, making this one of the deepest cutting 300mm machines on the market. Built-in dust suppression is provided by a dual-sided water delivery system featuring armoured external hosing and tough corrosion-resistant brass connections. Fully compliant with dust management regulations. It also helps reduce heat and friction for improved blade life. This saw comes armed with a 300mm premium diamond blade packed with 35% more diamond, and features a multi-compound cutting edge designed to cut faster, cleaner, and for longer. The high torque 2400 electric motor delivers consistent peak power and stops the machine from slowing down under heavy load. It starts first time, every time, and does not emit any harmful fumes, making this suitable for use in enclosed spaces. Plus, you don't need to worry about expensive fuel or servicing, allowing you to focus on the job. The wheeled skid plate takes the strain out of long, ground-level cutting and allows you to put the saw down while the blade is still spinning. This saw utilizes our Power Protect technology, which protects internal parts from dust and water ingress, making it fit for use in the most demanding environments, and comes backed by a 3-year guarantee. Cordless rotary hammer. The HR005G is a combination rotary hammer drill and demolition hammer that takes full advantage of Makita's new XGT platform of 40-volt batteries to deliver 8 joules of impact energy at up to 48 blows per second. With a standard tungsten carbide tip drill bit in the SDS Max Chuck, it can drill holes up to 40mm in diameter, and can take TCT cores up to 105mm diameters for even bigger holes. With as much power as provided by the 40V max batteries, you need advanced electronics to keep the user safe. The HR005G has AFT, or Active Feedback Sensing technology, which detects if the chuck suddenly stops rotating and immediately cuts drive power. To further protect the user, are mechanical features like AVT, or anti-vibration technology, which counters the forward movement of the impact with an internal pendulum. This dampens the vibration transferred through to the user via the handles, and therefore reduces user fatigue. Lomi. Introducing Lomi. Lomi is the world's first home composter that allows you to optimize your waste reduction to your lifestyle. Pick the Lomi cycle that's most convenient for you and the speed or nutrient content that you want. Lomi is easy to clean. You can even put Lomi's stainless steel bucket into the dishwasher. Lomi makes it simple for you to turn your food scraps, organic waste, certified compost at the push of a button. With Lomi, you can reduce up to 50% of the waste you send to landfill, reducing your waste and carbon footprint. Lomi uses filters with activated charcoal to trap and eliminates any odors produced in the composting process. Better yet, you can easily replace the charcoal in the filters yourself, without needing to buy a completely new component or throw away the plastic housing. Lomi produces ready-to-use, nutrient-rich compost that can be used for all of your indoor and outdoor plants and flowers. Crisp X. Next generation air fryer plus grill combo makes healthy cooking crispier than ever. With innovative 3D thermal cycling technology, creates a heat vortex from the bottom to top, surrounding the food 3-dimensionally. This results in a perfect crispy texture, incredible taste, and less oily food by 90%. Ozito PXC Circular Saw. This brushless circular saw from Ozito's 18V Power X change range is an essential DIY tool for making super fast rip and bevel cuts through timber. Enjoy the convenience of cordless battery technology while trimming boards for a deck, building a garden planter, ripping down sheets for a fence, or constructing a bookshelf. Brushless motor technology maximizes performance, providing longer runtimes and more power for your cuts. The safety soft start motor and inbuilt LED work light increase control over the tool, allowing you to make more precise cuts, while the inbuilt dust extraction port can be connected to a vacuum to keep your workspace clean during use. EDMA blade. Introducing EDMA Blade, an innovative series of plaster smoothing blades. EDMA is expanding its range of plaster smoothing tools with EDMA Blade, a complete range of smoothing blades. EDMA never ceases to offer the drywall craftsman innovative tools designed to save him time and effort in various stages of his work sites. This range, called EDMA Blade, is available in different dimensions: 15, 25, 35, 45, 60, 80, or 100 centimeters, and two types of blades: flexible or rigid. Made of stainless steel and with rounded edges, these blades achieve a smoothness without burrs on large surfaces and allow to reduce the loss of coating and the time of sanding. Drill stand. You want to drill reliably guided holes with your power drill? With the Wolfcraft drill stand, you drill your workpieces in a controlled manner at the desired point and at the preset depth. You can attach clamping claws or vices in the clamping grooves. You can adjust the drilling depth individually at the round clamp using the scale. The bottom of the aluminium alloy base has desktop fixing screw holes for easier and safer operation. The bottom surface is designed with an expansion slot for mounting vise or mold. This plunge drill stand is ideal for keeping the drill bit stable during use and more precise than handheld operation. Designed with bracket height fixing sleeves, which can adjust different bracket height according to working height and length of the drill bit. Chuck extender drill extension with chuck. The chuck extender drill extensions chucks into your cordless drill and has a 3/8-inch key, less chuck on the other end. Underfoot uses include installing the blue banger type anchors, screwing to the deck, building pallets, and much more. Overhead uses for this great little tool are only limited by the challenge you may run into on the job. The chuck extender is available in 3 different sizes. This tool is another one of those tools you should have one with you on the job. You'll be glad you have it and surprised at the uses. Ripley WS68 Snap. Ripley WS68 is a power-driven cable end stripper for 600 volt secondary cable is used when splicing, jointing, and terminating both HV and LV overhead power line, transmission, and distribution cables. The WS68 is designed to be used with a low or variable speed power drill and to reduce the working time and effort on repetitive stripping functions. The tool uses adjustable strip stop with adjustment window, allowing for an easy setup for the precise strip length from 15.9mm to 63.6mm. Knurled thumb screw and high visibility depth indicator for fast and accurate strip setting adjustments. It increases safety by eliminating the use of traditional knives, reducing the risk of cuts or lacerations. WS68 Snap's patent-pending quick connect collar design makes changing bushings faster and more efficient, even with gloves on. Magnetic wire puller. The magnetic wire puller from Klein Tools quickly and easily fishes wire and cable behind finished walls or enclosed spaces. Connect wire or cable to the flexible stainless steel leader and rare earth block magnet that make up the in-wall unit. Simply maneuver the magnetic handheld unit over the outside of the wall, allowing the strong, rare earth magnets to provide great hold for easy wire pulling or fishing. A 180-degree pivot handle with a comfortable grip provides easy control and maneuverability. Doubles as a metal stud finder with marking notches on all 4 sides of the handheld unit. Hilti HY200A. Hilti Hit-HY 200 adhesive anchor system. Inadequately cleaning holes during installation can reduce the performance of conventional adhesive anchor systems significantly. Hilti Safe Set technology eliminates this factor almost entirely and improves reliability and productivity because no manual hole cleaning is required to obtain optimum performance. For holes that clean themselves, use the new Hilti TE-CD and TE-YD hollow drill bits in conjunction with the Hilti VC2040 vacuum. Dust is removed by the Hilti VC2040 vacuum system while drilling is in progress for faster drilling and virtually dustless working environment. Malco Eagle Grip. The Eagle Grip 11-inch locking C-clamp features unparalleled clamping force and durability that delivers a long life. Wear and tear is a foreign term at Eagle Grip. The C-clamp's wide jaws allow for versatility when working with almost any shape or application. The small gripping face helps with clamping in the tightest spaces so you can complete any job. Our American-made steel delivers legendary strength to work, perform, outlast. You should never have to sacrifice quality or toughness when it comes to your toolbox. Eagle Grip gives you both at an unmatched value. Speed Wrap. This industrial-grade hook and loop cinch strap is easy to use. Simply wrap it around a bundle or object, insert the tip through the ring, and then back onto itself for a secure hold. Speed Wrap cinch straps are reusable and perfect for larger diameter bundles. The buckle allows the strap to be cinched down for a tighter hold or positive bundle compression. Speed Wrap brand cinch straps are made of woven nylon material. These durable hook and loop cinch straps feature a length of loop material welded to a section of the hook material. Aztec Screen Washer. The most efficient and effective method to clean multiple window screens and door screens. 4 support legs unfold in seconds. Just hook up to your water source, run the screen back and forth through the brush, and wash and rinse the dirt away. Tap screen gently on the ground to remove excessive water, then wipe the frames with a towel. Brushes are strong enough to support most screens without your assistance. Can clean screens as large as a standard patio door screen. It folds up quickly without tools to compactly stow away in your vehicle. Siegeling Blizzard HC 120/40. Siegeling Blizzard's HC 120/40, the world's first device for combined heating and cooling of splices for flat belts. The Siegeling Blizzard heating clamp allows the user to set individual parameters control for pre-selected heating temperature, holding time, and cooling temperature. Other features include integrated air cooling mechanism and self-locking splicing guides for easy insertion to avoid misalignment. The new benchmark is efficient splicing of flat belts is the Siegeling Blizzard HC 120/40. The ergonomically designed tools is intended for constant operation and is ready to use as soon as it's connected to the power supply. After entering the heating temperature, hold down time and cooling temperature. The process starts automatically as often as you like at the touch of a button. Bittle. P-Toy Bittle is a tiny but powerful robot that can play tricks like real animals. You can bring Brittle to life by assembling its puzzle-like frame and downloading our demo codes on GitHub. You can also teach it new skills to win prizes in our community challenges. Bittle makes a perfect tool for learning, teaching, researching, or a surprising gift to impress your family and friends. Evolving with an open source gene, Bittle is an open platform to fuse multiple makers, gadgets into one organic system. Bittle is a palm-sized robot that moves with 4 legs rather than wheels. Legged motion gives it more freedom to navigate unstructured terrains and express the joy of life whenever it moves. Such dynamic maneuverability was only seen on a few luxury robots from the best labs or tycoon companies previously, such as Boston Dynamics Spot or Sony Aibo. Gear Wrench Pivot Force Pliers. Pivot Force compound action pliers give you the same cutting and gripping power as regular pliers with 40% less effort. The innovative pivoting compound action design provides a better transition of power from the handle to the jaws, so you can grip stronger, cut quicker, and get the job done faster day after day, and again with less fatigue. Designed with an innovative pivoting action that produces maximum leverage, Pivot Force eliminates the need to apply extreme force when making cuts, allowing automotive technicians to cut through materials such as heavy gauge wire, cable, and CV boot clamps with less effort. For example, to cut 0.918 diameter piano wire, the conventional pliers need an average of 60 pounds of pressure on the handles. The unique design of Pivot Force delivers a more efficient transition of power from the handle to the jaws, making the same cut with an average of 35 pounds of force. A durable forged steel body and induction hardened cutting edges meet or exceed applicable ASME performance requirements and will stand up cut after cut. Jet Bench Grinder Multi-Tool Attachment. This bundle pairs our popular multi-tool attachment with the Jet Industrial Variable Speed Motor. The in-house testing has shown this to be a great combination, with enough power for even the large 4x48 multi-tool attachment. This versatile tool removes material up to 5 times faster than with the equivalent grit grinding wheel. A variety of belts and discs are available for any project. Belts change in seconds from grinding to sand, deburr or polish. The grinder motor is also able to adjust from 900 to 3600 RPM by way of a convenient digital controller and has an exclusive quick stop function that will stop the motor in less than 20 seconds. These industrial grinders are built tough with several cast pieces including the body, stone guards, and the adjustable tool resets. Assembly is required. String trimmer with telescopic shaft. This 15-inch string trimmer with power load technology automatically winds your trimmer line. Replacing your string line is as easy as feeding the line into the head and pressing a button. With the telescopic aluminium shaft, easily adjust the shaft length for ease and use of comfort. This trimmer is built with a high-efficiency brushless motor. Bump feed line advance 0.095 professional cutting line, and is compatible with all Ego Arc lithium batteries to maximize the convenience of cordless and deliver power beyond belief. Stanley Cubics Crossline Laser Level. Stanley Green Cubics Crossline Laser Level is a standard crossline laser, which is ideal for leveling and plumbing operations. The Green Cubics Crossline Laser consists of components such as a laser beam source built at the center of the cross laser line, a locking pendulum to prevent damage to the internal parts, self-leveling crosslines for projecting the horizontal and vertical lines on the flat surfaces for alignment operations. The crossline laser also contains additional components such as a quick bracket and mounting system to fix the laser on the tripod. The crossline laser is compact, light in weight, and handy for projecting the perpendicular lines on floor, walls, and ceilings. The laser source can be rotated in any direction using crosshairs. Stainless steel step trash can. Crafted with thoughtful design and smart functionality, the Kohler Step Can collection will simplify your daily routine at home and meet the style demands of its surroundings. This 20-gallon rectangular step can can be designed to fit any brand of 20-gallon trash bags. It opens with a sturdy foot pedal, allowing for hands-free operation. The trash can has an efficient footprint with clean lines and flush features, so it can be placed right against the wall or cabinets. A raised liner and rim lock make bag changes easy, and the fingerprint-proof finish stays cleaner longer. Xeon Cyber X. Cyber X is the most badass looking e-bike with tricked out LED lighting and customizable laser printed side panels. Its extreme durability for on and off-road capabilities, 50 mph max speed and a 100-mile range, and 2-person seat gives it everything you could ever want in an e-bike and more. It can handle it all. You can't help but turn heads as you fly by at 50 mph on the e-bike that stands out from all the rest. No other e-bike on the market lets you customize frame color, seat color, and a laser printed panel design for a look totally unique to you. Corrugated pipe holder. Specially designed for corrugated conduit, flexible pipe, holding conduit securely in place. Fastening bores suitable for horizontal and vertical rail systems in control cabinet. Fixing holes suitable for horizontal and vertical rail systems in the control cabinet. Following pipe holder can be applied on construction of plants and machines, robotics, automation technology, vehicle construction and shipbuilding, railway technology, installation technology, construction of control cabinets.
Thanks for watching. If these 100 Unreal tools impressed you, drop a like, share with your fellow makers, and hit subscribe for more tool pack content. Got a favorite? Let us know in the comments, or tell us what we missed. Until next time, keep building, stay sharp, and keep those ideas cutting clean.